Good morning to one and all. I welcome you back to IABS IAS Academy, IAS News Bureau, current affair discussion on PAB news analysis, that is Presidia Bureau news analysis dated on July 4th. This particular article is regarding non-calorific natural sweetener that can make cancer therapy using magnetic nanoparticles more effective. Now, this particular article is being given by Ministry of Science and Technology. Here first we need to know about what is the material that they are talking about. The material name is Chivioside STE, isolated from a leaves of honey yerba, and it is widely used as a non-calorific natural sweetener. This is the material it's about, and why it is in use and how we are going to use it in terms of application or where it is going to help in terms of cancer therapy. The study by an Institute of Nanoscience and Technology found that this geovicide, that is STE, a natural plant-based glycoside found in natural leaves of honey herba. When this particular particle is coated on a nanoparticles that can increase the efficiency of magnetic hyperthermia medicated cancer therapy, that is MHCD. Cancer therapy is based on heating the tumor tissues using magnetic nanoparticles in comparison to the routinely used surfactant methods, and it is based on generation of localized heat to the tumor site on exposure to alternative magnetic field in presence of magnetic nanoparticles. The stereoside coating exhibited significant improvement in calorimetric hyperthermia activity through particle size reduction of magnetic nanoparticles, thereby intensifying the magnetic hyperthermia medicated cancer therapy. Exposure of magnetic nanomaterials to alternating magnetic field leads to increase in temperature from 37 degree to 42 to 45 degrees Celsius, which can induce the tumor cells death by triggering activation of certain intracellular and extracellular degradation mechanism. Controlling the magnetic property of a nanoparticles effectively through its particle size to achieve optimized heat under alternative magnetic field is a critical point of magnetic hyperthermia medicated cancer therapy method. Hyperthermia output of nanomagnet reduces dramatically on the agglomeration of nanoparticles. This stereoside STE stands out for being anti-hyperglycemic immunomodulatory and sports anti-tumor action. Therefore, the surface modification of magnetic nanoparticles with stereoside may provide dual targeting of cancer cells, namely with magnetic nanoparticle based cancer therapy and also anti-tumor effect of stereoside coating onto the particles. Now, this is the end of this particular discussion. Thank you.